get some more.
Go, Eddie, you gotta take the sesame.
Woo! That was awesome. Go get some more.
Okay. Assassinate! Got her.
Sure, mommy's loving that.
Hey, look at this guy.
Oh no!
We're the killer Frosty. He killed every single balloon. So there's no more.
Can you each get one and do it at the exact same time, standing next to each other? Okay. Wait. Let's wait for your friends. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nothing! Hold on. No, let it go.
Good job.
All right.
Grandpa's got it. He's got a broom to bring all the balloons to you. Oh. Maybe the dejected ones.
Eat this! Eat this!
All right, good night, guys.
Good night.
Oh no, it's still holding another room full of them.